how does sex selection work? Because they say in most organisms you get about 50-50 birth rate, but it sounds like in bees they're probably not euthanizing a bunch of males, right?
Very good point. Yeah, and the whole selection process, as you point out, is way sloped towards worker bees. And with young queens, it's very much a pheromone-driven world in a beehive. With young queens, the queen goes out on a mating flight, mates with upwards of 10 to 2 dozen, almost 30 drones. Sometimes it varies between 10 and 30. That queen then flies back to the hive and spends the rest of her time in the hive, being cared for by the workers. The mating process takes on a tremendous amount of semen from the drones. Sperm is stored in an organ called the spermatheca, which is a little pearl-like organ inside of the queen. So she can actually store several million sperm in a homeostasis within that organ. And then as they are needed, they come down, fertilize or not fertilize the eggs. If they're fertilizing it, they'll get a worker. If they're not fertilizing it, they're getting a drone. So she can turn the tap off and on, essentially by using pheromones. And by being directed to a specific part of the hive where the drones are produced. They're not produced in the center of the hive because they're not considered to be extremely necessary for the function of the hive. They're produced on the periphery of the brood nest. If you think of the hive